Jerome Powell may have triggered the next bull run. This is Hamza. I've been trading for almost 2 decades, stocks, crypto, real estate, merchandise. If you have not yet, subscribe and click on the link below to book your free consult on how to quadruple your money in the Dubai real estate boom with as little as $10,000. The Fed cut rates by 0.25%, which can be really good for stocks. Jerome Powell announced $40 billion in treasury bill purchases, effectively adding liquidity. That's just a new way of saying we're printing more money, which markets are going to see as bullish. It was not a unanimous decision. It was split 9-3, showing uncertainty within the Fed, although the markets reacted positively. Powell said tariffs are temporarily pushing inflation higher, but reassured that the effect is likely short-term. He also confirmed that further hikes are not expected, easing fears of tighter policy and boosting confidence in equities. Markets now expect more cuts next year, which is particularly bullish for tech and growth stocks, while the Feds aim to maintain a strong economy. In short, the Fed's rate cut, treasury buying, and Powell's dovish stance signal more liquidity and easier borrowing ahead. Stocks, especially tech and growth, are positioned to benefit, but keep an eye on inflation and Fed decisions. We could see more volatility in the markets in the coming months. If you made it this far, subscribe and click on the link below to book a free consult on how you can make crazy returns in Dubai real estate, even if you don't have a lot of capital. Let's talk real money, and I'll see y'all next time.